There's a silent worker in your gas tank that you probably never think about until it quits and leaves you stranded. The fuel pump. Its job is exactly what it sounds like. It pushes fuel from the storage tank up to the engine with enough pressure to make your car run. In almost all modern vehicles in the United States, this pump is located inside the gas tank itself. Why inside? Because gasoline actually acts as a coolant for the electric motor in the pump. This brings us to a major tip for every driver. Stop driving around with your gas light on. When you constantly run your tank down to empty, the pump is no longer submerged in liquid. It starts to suck in air and heat up. Over time, this excess heat fries the internal components, and one day you turn the key and hear nothing. No hum, no start. You are stuck. Another killer of fuel pumps is bad gas. If you get fuel from a station with dirty tanks, that sediment settles at the bottom of your tank. Your pump has a sock-like filter on it, but if that gets clogged with mud or rust, the pump has to scream to pull fuel through. Eventually, it burns out. Replacing a fuel pump is not a cheap 10-minute job anymore. Usually, a mechanic has to drop the entire fuel tank out from under the car to get to it. That means hundreds of dollars in labor. The best way to protect this part is simple. Try to keep your tank at least a quarter full. It keeps the pump cool, lubricated, and happy, ensuring your car starts every single time you turn that key.